The weekly code quiz. Do we have other alternative color systems? The last color space we will discuss is the HSL and HSLA systems. It was introduced as an alternative way to specify colors around the time CSS3 was launched. What is HSLA? HSLA stands for hue, saturation, lightness, and alpha. How is hue expressed? Hue is expressed as an angle between 0 and 360 since it is often represented as a color circle. The angle corresponds to a color. How is saturation expressed? Saturation is the amount of gray in a color and is represented by a percentage. 0% is a shade of gray, while 100% is full color saturation. And how is lightness expressed? Lightness is the amount of white or lightness or black or darkness in a color as represented by a percentage. 0% lightness is black and 100% lightness is white, and 50% is normal. What is another word we use to express lightness? It is often referred to as luminosity. It differs from brightness, which is only the addition of black. How is alpha expressed and what does it represent? Finally, alpha represents transparency, as described previously, and is expressed as a number between 0.0 and 1.0, where 0.5 would represent 50% transparency. Here are the 17 standard colors using the HSL color space. We have aqua, black, blue, fuchsia, gray, green, lime, maroon, navy, olive, orange, purple, red, silver, teal, white, and yellow. This is how these would display. We will again look at how the alpha channel affects how three of our colors, red, green, and blue, will display. HSL 0, 100%, 50% is red. HSL 120, 100%, 25% is green. And HSL 240, 100%, 50% is blue. This is our CSS. Here we are taking each of our colors, red, green, and blue, and adding an alpha component where we are displaying how the alpha channel at 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, and 0.2 affect the display of our color. And finally, this is how this would display. Presented by Designers Learn Code.